guy's first class. The people that he worked with is first class, and I would not go nowhere else. Come here, Lambo Doors Direct. He'll take care of you.
How's it going? It's your boy David again, the Lambo boy or Lambo guy. This video is a little longer. It shows, pretty much the process of what I do and why we're different. Pretty much cutting the fenders here. I just gotta make sure everything is right. You gotta be very careful and you gotta be with steady hand. Right here I'm putting on the kit after I took off the old stuff. Now I'm gonna do some adjustments just to make sure everything is closing right. Once I got one side, I go to the next. Also make sure my adjustments are correct on this side as well. Here I'm pretty much messing with that wiring harness, make sure it's the correct length. After that I just go ahead and put on the fenders, make sure I line up everything like factory. On, I make sure the adjustments are correct, nothing is touching, and the after results is a beautiful car.
Hey guys, my name's Renee. I'm over here at Lambo Doors Direct with my boy Kano. Come check them out, man. You want some high quality Lambo doors. They don't use power tools, they do everything by hand. You want this stuff to look right, you want to pay a good price, but you're gonna get quality. I would come here personally, I checked all around, and I would not go nowhere else. This guy's first class. The people that he worked with is first class, and I would not go nowhere else. Come here, Lambo Doors Direct. He'll take care of you, first class.